Methodist hymn 61, Earth with all thy thousand voices. This hymn was written by Edward Charlton. It is published in 8 hymnals. It is a song of praise to the eternal King. The God we serve is a great and mighty God. Edward Charlton calls on us to praise the Lord who has saved our dying souls. The fourth stanza of this hymn reads, Come, each faithful soul who feareth him who fills the eternal throne here, rejoicing while thou hearest what our God for us has done, when he made our supplications, when our voices in prayer was strong. Then we found his glad salvation, and his mercy fills our song. Edward Charlton's son, the Venerable Ralph Charlton, sometime Archdeacon of St. David and Hector of Middleton, Cheney, Northampton, was born in 1800 and educated at the Charterhouse and Christ Church, Oxford, where he graduated with honors in 1821. The choir will sing for us.